Yesterday, we talked about master persuasive copywriting for your sales pages. Today, I'm going to give you the 5 most used words and the 5 most influential words used in copywriting to influence and get more sales. Before I do, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell button so you can know when and get notifications of when I upload these videos. Smash that thumbs up. You can always take it back when you leave. Let's go. All right, let's jump right into this. The first word is you. Now, they did a research here and they examined brain activation. A few things light us up. Nothing lights us up quite like seeing our own names in print or on the screen. As a matter of fact, they gave people a blank piece of paper, like college students, and most of the women did this, but men did it as well. And the first thing they wrote was their own name. You. More people are more concerned about themselves than what you really think they are. That's why, like, when you see people on YouTube and they're kind of going crazy, talking shit about other people, they call them trolls, because nobody really cares about somebody else as much as they care about themselves. So you is a real big word to use in your copy. I also talked about that yesterday in the persuasive copywriting. And if you can see, it's here again. The most powerful word in the entire language is you. Next is free. Everybody loves free. People love free stuff so much that they'll actually make different choices even when the respective value of the item or service remains the same. Now, what that means is they did a study, right? And let's see if I can find it. Here's a study right here. So they did to test the word free in relation to concrete value. And basically what they did is they took this little chocolate right here. Kisses weren't very popular, and people knew that this was worth about 7 cents. So they priced this at over double what it was worth and put 1 cent on the Hershey's Kiss. 73% took the more expensive chocolate because they felt like, I know what this brand is, and I'm going to take this because I know that it's good chocolate. But look what they did down here. When they took 1 cent off of both of them, which made this one free and brought this one down to 14 cents, 70% of the people took free. People love free. It's really important that you understand that, right? So when you're doing your copy, actually I have something down here and it's right here, and I'm gonna show you this later, but it's called Get Free Instant Access right now. You'll find out why I'm saying it in a moment, because instant is in there, right? But let's go into new. So with your products, it's far easier to excite customers with new features and polish. Even if things don't work out perfectly, a majority of customers will appreciate innovation attempts over no progress at all. And I show this with new apps that people are purchasing online. A big example is if you go to JV Zoo and buy one of their apps, everybody knows that nobody's going to update that app. It's pretty much going to do what it's supposed to do. But after that, they're not going to bring any new features. People love new features. And if you look on these apps right here, you can see that here they say this is the up viral, and the last changes we have, week 16 improvements, week 14 improvements. They're constantly bringing in new stuff. Even here with my email marketing app they have here, spring updates, the latest additions right here. So unlock this with webhooks, and they come out with stuff every month or so to show you that they care about the app. ThriveCard, another company that I do business with, they're always coming out with these huge updates and improving the apps. And I feel like personally that this is one of the better investments that I've made in a long time, because they're always improving the app. And here you can see in another app that I purchased a long time ago called ConvertBox, and they're like new sneak peek. And over the last few months, we've been, our heads down, focused on developing the next major evolution. New stuff coming out. And look at everybody. Look at the reactions you have here. Wow, super sweet. And then here, when are we going to be able to get it? I can't wait to. So when is there any new info about when it's going to come out? And people are really excited. They're always excited about getting new things. And so having something new. And so how you do that, like in your copy, like down here, you could put new 45 approved, or steal my 45 pre-approved, highly targeted never before seen new profitable niches, right? That's how you could kind of do that, just to give you kind of like a bullshit an example. But what I mean by that is adding the word new and something fresh and innovative. So that's why using the words discover and these type of things are really good when you're using your copy. So instantly, right? And you saw that again. So when you say that I can get something instant, right? And you see I use that here. So I wanted to show you how I use free and instant right now. So get free instant access now. And it's really important. So those are trigger words. Number one is free. So I don't have to pay for anything. The next thing is I get instant access right now. So that's what's going to like induce that click, because those are words that are influencing me, like, well, shit, it's free and I'm going to get it right now, so I don't have to waste any time, because people don't want to invest too much time into getting what you have. So if I'm going to get free instant access right now, cool, it's not going to cost me anything, I can get it right this second, let me have it. People love instant. And another word that people love is because. And I think, let me make sure I didn't go through, right? So yeah, is because. Now, a study from the classic book Influence by Robert Cialdini. If you haven't read that book, you need to read it, right? It's a well-known principle of human behavior that says when we ask somebody to do us a favor, we'll be more successful if we provide a reason. People just want to have a reason for things that they do. Now, what I mean by that, I'll just give you an example of the study that they did. So they had people stand in line at the Xerox at the copy machine, and they had people come up to the line and say, hey man, can I cut the line? No. Can I cut the line? No. Can I cut the line? No. And they said, well, man, can I cut the line? I got an appointment in 2 seconds. I got to really get out of here. Sure, go ahead. Hey man, can I cut the line? My kids are still in the car and I just need to, okay, sure, go ahead. And they even went out as far as to do something stupid like, can I cut the line? I got to fart, something really stupid, and they still let them cut the line, because as long as you say because. So I have one sales method that I use inside my email campaigns. I'm doing a big sale and I'm giving away this at a certain amount because, right? And as long as you say that in your sales copy and give them a reason why you're doing something, because people are always looking to say, well, why is this person doing this? There's got to be an ulterior motive. Why does he want to do this? Because you are a cherished subscriber to my newsletter, and this is why okay, that's cool. That sounds right. Or I want you to buy this because of this. Okay, so now he's giving me a reason. So that's a really big thing, because these are the top 5 most influential words in the English language. So because is the reason. So make sure that you use this in your copy. If you like this video, share it with a friend. Click the thumbs up, man. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification buttons to let you know when I upload. No matter what you do with this copywriting, man, you're going to have to practice every day. Practice makes perfect. There are no shortcuts to this shit, man. So let's get started right now. No excuses, no explanations. Go get it done.